Hello and welcome to ET Studios. I'm your host Himanshi Tiwari and we are joining you from the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024. With me right now is Dinesh Kumar Goyal, who's the Executive Director at Edgy Infra Engineering. It's a pleasure to have you with us
Thank you
today.
so much. Thank you so much.
All right, Dinesh ji, we are right now in the Rising Rajasthan Summit, right? So, how do you foresee, like, what role will this summit play in the future of Rajasthan's economic growth?
Well, it's a very welcome kind of summit, you see, and it has been planned within a year. That is the most challenging part of this. And as I see our senior officers, I have been in this Indian Administrative Service, so I have seen growth of Rajasthan for last about 40 years or so. But I'm seeing that during the last 5, 6 years, the growth is exponential. And particularly in this summit, I am so happy to learn that more than 34 lakh crores MOUs have been signed. And my hope is that more than 25 to 30% of these MOUs are going to be successful. So this is going to change the economy of Rajasthan in coming 5 to 10 years.
All right, then how is AG Infra is actually contributing to the development of Rajasthan's infrastructure? Since we are talking so much about Rajasthan infrastructure, even the Chief Minister and all the ministers are talking about the infrastructure development in Rajasthan. And what future projects are on the horizon for you?
See, we at HG Infra have been very, very concerned about the development of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has always been in the forefront of our thoughts. And initially, we started with all our projects, basing in Rajasthan. Although we have now become national in the sense, see, we are basically doing national highways, expressways, and now we've gone into railways and water projects. And most of our projects had been in Rajasthan. Recently, we have completed 3 national highway projects in Rajasthan. And all around our projects, we see to it that the rural areas around the projects
Okay.
are completely developed. Our CSR activities are very heavy, and we try to spend most of our budgets of CSR in Rajasthan only. As far as the future is concerned, this summit has given us a tremendous opportunity. And I'm very happy to tell you that we have signed projects worth 12,000 crores.
Okay.
Basically, they are in solar areas. We are going to have solar projects. We are going to have battery energy operated systems. We are going
Okay.
to have solar parks. So,
Okay.
in a big way, we are coming now in
All right.
Rajasthan.
All right. With Rajasthan's focus on the industrial and logistical hub, also on becoming an industrial and logistical hub, what role do you see your company playing in enabling connectivity and also fostering regional economic growth?
See, as far as Rajasthan is concerned, as I already told you, that we are going to play a very important role. But connectivity wise, we are playing an important role throughout the country. We have projects now in Andhra Pradesh, in Jharkhand, in Delhi, in, you name it. Maharashtra, we have completed more than 7 projects. And railways also, like Kanpur Railway, Bilaspur Railways, we are going to develop these stations and all. So the connectivity, if you see the infrastructure connectivity, we are playing a very important role, and future is going to be very bright, not only for us, but for the country as a whole, I believe.
All right. When it comes to as you were telling that you're gonna develop these stations, Kanpur and Bilaspur, what developments can we see in the upcoming few years? Why I am asking, because I'm from Kanpur, so I want to know about it.
You're going to see completely a different kind of, railway station. You're going to see as a airport. Like if you go to Delhi airport, you can compare the Kanpur railway station once it
Okay.
develops. It
Okay.
will be somewhere similar to that. So you
All
can
right.
imagine what kind of structure it is going
All
to
right.
be.
But then, what is the timeline are we seeing?
I think within 2 to 2.5 years, we are going to complete it.
All right.
Yeah.
Wonderful. No, thank you so much, sir,
And
for
we hope to
joining.
see you after 2 years for the similar
No,
interview.
I'm sure I'm really looking forward to
Yeah.
that. But thank you so much for joining
Thank you
us
so
today
much.
for this
Thank you so much.
wonderful
Thank you.
conversation.
Wonderful.
And to our viewers, stay tuned for more such videos only at ET Studios.